patient assessment skills, clinical aptitude, quick thinking, multitasking, teamwork. Over 20 international teams will compete. 3 final teams. Who will win? The battle for gold is on. The biggest EMS clinical competition in North America. Watch the final teams compete for gold, all while earning CE credit. The JEMS Games, live at EMS Today, February 21st in National Harbor, Maryland.
This is National Harbor. From the Capitol Wheel to the Potomac River, the Gaylord National to Bond 45 to the Waterfront Harbor. This is the city where EMS Today 2019 will take over. From the JEMS Games to Zoll Shockfest to the exhibit hall. From the networking party to the conference sessions, memories will be made. A destination worth the trip. 5,000 EMS professionals, 150 speakers, 250 exhibitors, one city. An experience like no other. This is EMS Today at National Harbor.